Guys, welcome back. So as you can tell by the thumbnail that you just saw, the frustration is real. Why isn't the Volkswagen bus done yet? Stay tuned, I'm about to tell you why. So shout out to Kiyo for making that sweet intro. Before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, I want you to go ahead and go check out his Instagram. I'll plug it down below. He's got a pretty sick Lexus. So for those of you that follow me on social media, you know that the Volkswagen bus has been in the paint / body shop for about 3 to 4 months now. It's just a long time and we haven't gotten the car back. So 3 to 4 months is a long time. I'm definitely not gonna have the Barracuda painted by the same guy because I just don't want it to take that long. Now, this guy does incredible paint work, which is why I'm not making a big fuss about this. It'll get done when it gets done, so I'm in no huge rush, but with that said, it is getting painted right now and it should be done by Friday, quote unquote. We'll see if that actually happens. So with all that in mind, I have some extra random photos that the body shop and the painter have provided me with. I wanted to go ahead and give those to you guys so you can kind of see what's been going on. I'll add some commentary. So this video is going to be a little unconventional in that sense. So I apologize for that. But here is some photos of the Volkswagen bus for you to enjoy. I'll add some commentary like I said earlier. And if there's any questions, please put it in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay guys, so if you have been watching the videos for a while, you'll remember that this is the last time you saw the bus. We took the windshield off and we found some rust underneath. This is just a photo showing that. This is the rust being patched up. We also found some rust in the back panel right above the exhaust. This is with that panel removed, and then you can see some more rust underneath. So we had that welded up, patched, coated. This is with the new plate over top. Of course, underneath, like you just saw in the previous photo, it's all been sealed underneath and the new plate welded on top. So let me go ahead and fast forward a few pictures so I can get ahead of you guys. So this is the bus. Now it's in the paint shop. They're blocking it, filling it. You can see that we also put the front tire mount on it. That's with the tire and wheel on the car, so you can kind of get an idea what it's going to look like when it's done. Just another picture of the car being blocked. Some more body work being conducted. Let's see what the next one will be on the other side. It looks like just being filled and whatnot, just getting ready for paint. So if you stay till the end of this video, you're going to get a little sample of what the paint color is going to be. There it is. So it's going to be white and green on the bottom. That's just a really quick sample. As you can see, that kind of gives you an idea of what the bus is going to look like. So now that you guys have seen the photos, that's all I have for this video. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to make another video just like this of the Barracuda because I also have some pictures that the Fab Shop has given me. So I hope you're not too upset with this. I don't even know this genre of video, if you want to go ahead and call it that. But I just want to update you guys. Since I'm not the one doing this work, I want to update you with what I'm receiving so you guys can follow the builds better. So I'll see you on the next one.